Hey guys, Josh here from thecornercutterpodcast.com, and today we're doing an unboxing of the X-Band Galaxy V2 Megaminx. Let's get right into it. Okay. Tightly packed in the nice blue packaging. There's the Megaminx. Also comes with the receipt. And let's see what this is. Let's see. Order fulfillment checklist. Let's see. Confirm that all items are included. Wow, that's great. Now they're doing order confirmation checklists. That's great for SCS. And a nice SCS business card. These are new and they look great. So that's it. Let's get right into the Megaminx. Okay, I love everything from X-Man. There's the Mega. We'll get into the rest of the stuff later. Let's take a look at this. Wow, way smaller than this is compared to the Chi budget Megaminx. Look at the size difference. Shades are exactly the same though, which is nice. Okay, first turns. That is really nice. Okay, I like this Megaminx. The smaller size makes it easier to handle. And I would definitely say to get the sculpted version. It has a great grip. Otherwise, your hands would probably slip quite a bit. I'm excited to see how my times improve with this Megaminx. I love it. And these extra black pieces are to make one side of the Megaminx black. So you could have black plastic. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you want to purchase this Megaminx or anything else from Speed Cube Shop, please use my link down below. And then you can also use the promo code CornerCutter to get 10% off your order. Talk to you next time. Bye.